In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to GCash. Logging into GCash is quick and simple, and when you know what to expect, it feels effortless. We'll walk through the process from opening the app to reaching your dashboard with a few helpful tips so you can sign in confidently every time. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. Look for the familiar blue icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it once. For the smoothest experience, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection and that you're in an area with good signal or connected to reliable Wi-Fi. The app will load to the sign-in screen in just a moment. On the sign-in screen, enter your 4-digit MPIN. This is your personal mobile PIN that keeps your account secure, so treat it like a password and never share it with anyone. Type each digit carefully to avoid accidental lockouts from multiple incorrect attempts. If you mistype a number, use the backspace to correct it before proceeding. It's a good habit to cover your screen in public spaces and to avoid easy-to-guess combinations. Once all 4 digits are in, the app will begin the login process automatically. Next, wait for the login confirmation. You'll usually see a brief loading indicator while GCash verifies your details. This step typically takes just a few seconds. Don't tap around or close the app during this time. Letting it finish helps prevent errors. When the login is successful, you'll be taken straight to the home screen. Depending on your device and network, you might see a confirmation message or simply land on your dashboard. If the app needs a moment, be patient and give it time to complete. After that, you can start using GCash right away. From the home screen, you'll see your main dashboard, where you can access core features like sending money, paying bills, and more. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can find your most used tools quickly. For security, keep your phone locked when you step away. Avoid using the app on unsecured public networks, and remember that your MPIN should remain private at all times. And that's all there is to it. Open the app, enter your 4-digit MPIN, wait for confirmation, and you're in.